This video is for those young ones or the ones like the young ones who have a problem letting go of their cell phones, whose lives are totally connected with the cell phones, and they forget that life is not inside a device. Yes, our connections today are conditioned by those devices, thanks also to the situation that we have around us. But that we have also a huge connection to nature. We are part of nature, and we need to let go of those cell phones, those smartphones for a while, from time to time, so that we can connect with the environment around us, with nature. Listen to the sounds. And if you are addicted to your smartphones, just try to go outside and sit without touching your cell phone or your smartphone for 5 to 10 minutes, and without having music in your ears or whatever, and just try and listen, actually hear and listen attentively to the sounds of nature. It recharges us, it brings a lot of harmony in our lives, and it teaches us to slow down. Nature is not rushing around. Everything in nature has its own pace, it takes place, and we don't need to be completely distracted with the fear of missing out on some news or on something that happened. We don't need to be perennially connected to the news or to the latest notifications. What we need to be connected to perennially is to ourselves and to the world that surrounds us, and it does not come in a box. In short, that's part of it, but we don't have to become slaves to those devices which are practically running the lives of so many of us. We have to remember that those devices are at our beck and call. It's not we who are slaves to them. So this is a challenge for all of you who are super connected with the digital devices, to just take everyday time off and take a few minutes in nature, sit and enjoy the sounds of nature. Observe the details, listen to the sounds, listen to the music of the birds, watch the insects, watch the change of the seasons, because so many of us today have forgotten what it is to actually breathe freely outdoors, to enjoy nature, to enjoy the seasons. Take care. Bye-bye.